how Ikigai transformed my life and can change yours too. For years, I measured success by external yardsticks, a better job title, a fancier workspace, more recognition. Yet, in chasing those metrics, a persistent emptiness followed. When I discovered Ikigai, I began asking what genuinely lights me up, how my efforts benefit others, and which activities bring me lasting fulfillment instead of fleeting adrenaline. Gradually, I recognized meaning in simple tasks, preparing a home-cooked meal, writing letters to friends, or mentoring students in my community. If you feel trapped in a cycle of endless striving without any deep satisfaction, Ikigai can unlock a more grounded approach. It encourages you to remain open, let your passions evolve, and focus on daily choices that feel authentic. The outcome is a sense of harmony that transforms both your outlook and your relationships. Instead of living for the next milestone, you learn to savor the present, letting purpose flow organically through each step you take. Subscribe to Culture Wow for more stories of interesting culture.